Hi, in this video we are going to see the different teaching positions from the two different universities, guys. And here the designations are professor, associate, assistant, as well as the technical assistant and scientist vacancies are there. So you may observe here the from huge departments the vacancies are announced. So it will be the very good opportunity, guys. The candidates who are having the post graduation and PG plus UGS net or else the PhD. So all these candidates here the vacancies are there. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the faculty recruitment notifications from the two different universities. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, the Unacademy is providing the complete course on paper 1, that is the teaching and research aptitude. Okay, so this course started on the 9th June onwards, guys. All the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. While coming to the present content of the video, so out of the two universities, the first one we are going to see is the Adamas University. So from this one here we got the current vacancies regarding the different subject recruitment notification, guys. Okay, you just scroll down and here you may check down the current vacancies. So click on that one and then you will be directed to the what are the different current vacancies are there in this university. So first one, we are hiring for the recruitment in the position of professor, associate, assistant professor, technical assistant, as well as a non-technical assistant. So for whatever the post they mentioned here, technical assistant and non-technical assistant for all these things. So if you're having the post-graduation, okay, only post-graduation also you may apply for this one, guys. And apart from this one here, the few more vacancies are there from the pharmaceutical technology as well as life science and biotechnology, and the JRF position is also there. So the interested candidates may download the application form and fill up, guys. Okay, I will tell you what is the procedure to apply for this one. So first click on this one for the different vacancies, different designations, and then you will be directed to the one recruitment notification, guys, regarding this one. So Adamas University invites application from qualified professionals for the following teaching as well as the non-teaching positions. And candidates with excellent academic records and working in related areas are encouraged to apply. So professor, associate, assistant or the technical assistant. So here huge number of subjects are there, guys. Okay, let's check here. Agriculture, chemistry, geography, mathematics, physics, English language and literature, Bengali language and literature, history, political science, public administration, international relations and psychology, sociology, management, economics, commerce, communication management, civil, computer science, electronics and communication, electrical, mechanical, law, biochemistry, biotechnology, microbiology, pharmacy, journalism. While coming to the journalism, film and TV, radio, advertisement, PR, new media, and coming to the education, that is regarding mathematics, commerce, economics, and Sanskrit, definitely the candidates must have the MEd plus PhD plus NET or SET in these particular departments. So for these departments, they specially mentioned that MEd plus PhD plus NET or SET must be there. Okay. And while coming to the remaining subjects, whatever shown here, if you are applying for the technical assistant, so PG or something is enough. Why? Because here the clear-cut clarification, qualifications are not mentioned here. Okay. So if you want, you may just once check here, guys. And remuneration will match with the best in the education sector based on experience and qualifications as per the UGC norms. So if you are interested or requested to share their resumes along with the scanned copies of self-attested testimonials and other academic credentials by email to this recruitment@adamasuniversity.ac.in within 10 days. Okay. So I'm suggesting you that actually here the PDFs as well as the document is there. Okay. So click to download the PDF. It is for the teaching, guys. Okay, so first you fill up all these details. Okay, so whatever the qualifications or experience or your biodata, okay, fill up all these details and then attach the relevant documents. After attaching the relevant documents, then send the complete thing to the provided mail ID here. Okay, recruitment@adamasuniversity.ac.in. Here they given the within 10 days. Actually, we got this notification 2 days before, guys. So if you are interested, then apply or else mail them as early as possible. Okay. And while coming to the non-teaching stuff, so click on this one PDF and then fill up all the details. Okay, so just take the printout of this one, or else you can download the document and then fill up all the details. After filling up all the details and attach the necessary or the relevant documents, and just what we call mail them, guys. Okay, so it is a recruitment notification from the Adamas University. So if you want to check for the remaining departments also, you may check, guys. Fine. And while coming to the next one is satyabama.ac.in, guys. Okay, it is the official website of this one. So Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, deemed to be university. So here invites application for the post of professor, associate, assistant as well as a scientist. Okay, and coming to the departments here, CSE, IT, EC, mechanical, mechatronics, aero, auto, architecture, biotech, MBA, commerce, physics, chemistry, law, nursing, pharmacy, English, French and Japanese and German. So if you are having post graduation in these departments with UGC NET or the CSI or NET or the SLET or SET is there, then apply, guys. Okay, and here the eligibility they given PhD or NET or SET. Okay, but out of this one, if few departments don't have the UGC NET exam, then with only post graduation you may apply. Okay, but while coming to the scientist, okay, the different areas are given here. So if you want to apply for the scientist post, then definitely you must have the PhD or the PDF, postdoctoral. And apart from this one, the creative designer post is also there. Okay, eligibility 2 years in creative design. Okay, candidates has to apply through online, and you may check out here the last date for the submission of application forms is 16th June 2021. Okay, and if you are interested, then click on the apply online, and then it will be directed to the online application form, guys. Okay, so fill up the details whatever they are asking. Okay, so it is Google Forms, guys. Okay, you have to fill up all your necessary details. Fine. So here, whatever both the two universities are there. So here the PhD is not mandatory. Why? Because whatever the mandatory columns you have to fill up, that is kept as a star mark. But while coming to the PhD, for assistant professor, if you are applying, PG plus UGC NET or SLET is enough, guys. Okay. But for few subjects, the UGC NET exam will not be there. So for those subjects, only PG is enough. Okay. So anyhow, for both the two universities, you need not to pay any application fee, guys. Okay, you have to simply fill up the Google form in Satyabama Institute of Technology, and second one you have to just simply mail them, guys. Okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profiling. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.